back to the channel. Today, we're gonna transform your sweet tooth with this game changer. Get ready for a dessert that's as nutritious as it's delicious. Say goodbye to sugar crashes and a low to protein packed energy. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make sugar-free, high protein jello dessert that is perfect for weight loss and muscle gain. But before we do that, if you could take a minute to like and subscribe to the channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. So here is a simple recipe to get you started. And all you're gonna need is 1 pack of jello. I'm actually trying, I found this in Walmart the other day, Starburst. Everybody loves Starburst, right? So I figured I'm gonna give this a try. The original recipe would have called for, if you were just to use the regular jello sugar-free, you would have been using 1 cup of hot water, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and then mixing it all together with the package. But because of the package size and the increase in measurements, I'm going 1.5 and 1.5. So first thing we're gonna do, in the bowl, jello. Next, I've already heated this up, and we got 1.5 cups of hot water. We're gonna measure out 1.5 cups of plain sugar-free Greek yogurt, which obviously is providing all the protein. So now we're gonna mix this up. Get this all mixed in together. When all else fails, so that looks pretty mixed up the way we want it. So we got a good consistency here. So what we're going to do now, move that out of the way. We got 2 containers here, because of course the wife's going to want one. Just want to balance these right out. Couple covers on these. I like these little bowls, they're kind of handy. I just got them at the dollar store. Easy enough. So what we're going to do with these, now that we have these done, we're going to put them in the fridge for a couple hours just so everything sets. And then we're going to come back. We have some raspberries we're going to put on these. And we're also gonna shred up a little bit of dark chocolate and put on there just for look and maybe a little bit of flavor, but we'll come back to that, okay? Okay, so after you've had your jello sitting in the fridge for a few hours, now we're gonna add some raspberries to the top of this. Just kind of slightly put them on here. Just randomly, okay. 1 more there, and then we are going to shave some chocolate on here. I'm sure everybody likes a little bit of chocolate. So that when you got our chocolate, our raspberries in there, it's ready to serve. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it back in the fridge until we're ready to eat. But here you have it, a delicious, high protein, low sugar to no sugar dessert that you're totally gonna enjoy. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get all our future videos that are coming out. Until next time, I want everybody to have a fabulous day.